Hello guys and welcome back. This is Unnati. So it's been a very long time since I posted my last video. So actually I was very much busy with my work and all that office things and everything. So but now I am back and I hope and I will try to be as regular as possible. So few days back I asked you guys to ask me questions that when was the first time that I did a particular thing. So I have received so many questions, so I have selected few of them because the rest of them were literally very personal. So I hope you guys understand that I cannot take them. So I bunked. If taking up the tuitions, the first time I bunked my tuition was in class 10th, and the first time I bunked my school, okay. No, this is a very funny incident actually. हमारे स्कूल में what used to be there that you cannot bunk your school, that your child is absent from the school. So at that time there was a birthday of a friend of mine and I could not go there directly. There were some few situations regarding that. So what I did was I took my mother's phone along with me to the school because the message would have come into the phone only. So I took the phone with me to school. I called at my father's phone using the same phone that by mistake the phone has come with me, and then I bunked the school and I deleted that message after that. So the first time I did all of this was in class 12th. Yes, in class 12th. I hope that my parents don't watch this video, otherwise I'm gone today. So the second question is, when was the first time that I had a relationship? It was in class 9. Had an accident. Okay, I have had many accidents, but first time that I had an accident was...
When was the first time that I had an accident? It might be 11th or 12th only. Yes, the first time.
Yes, the first time that I met with an accident was when I was in class 11, and at that time I was 16 years old. When was the first time that I had a sleepover? Okay, so I know ki, these days it is very common for children to have sleepover at their friend's house, but my parents, they loved me so much that they did not wanted to part with me anytime. So the first time that I had a sleepover was in the first year of my graduation. Currently I'm in second year, and at that time I was 18 years old. Okay. The next question is, when was the first time that I got vaccine? The first time that I got vaccine done was in class 11th, and at that time I was 16 years old. Yes, and that too my parents agreed to let me have vaccine done because it was my sister's marriage. Otherwise I don't know that when would have been that first time that I would have got my vaccine done. Got drunk. Okay, so this is literally true. I haven't ever drank till date. Yes. The next question is, when was the first time that I drove, like when I drive? Okay, till date I don't know how to drive a car. So basically the first time that I would have drove anything would have been a two-wheeler, and I started learning two-wheeler when I was in class 9. So yes, the first time that I drove anything was in class 9, and at that time I was...
Let me complete. 11. In 11th I was 16. In 10th I was 15. In 9th I was 14. Yes.
I was 14 years old when I first drove. When was the first time I cried in public? Okay, no, there hasn't been any date, like any day in my life when I would have cried in public. I am a crybaby, like I cry on every small thing, but not in public. When was the first time I slapped someone? Okay. When was the first time I slapped someone? Like if the very first time I would have slapped someone, it would have been my brother maybe. Like kabhi, when we are fighting and fighting ke beech mein laga diya. But when I grew up and I actually slapped someone, कि मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है, and in that I would have slapped someone. So it was in class 12, and there was a friend of mine whom I slapped. I know that that was not the right thing to do, but situations were such that sometimes it happens. The last question is this is by a school friend of mine. So he is asking me that when was the first time that I came to this school, like the school from which I have completed my high school. He has said that in 5th or 6th, but no, I joined this school when I was in class 3rd. So that's it for today. I hope that you guys liked the video, you enjoyed, and if you did, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button. See you next time. Bye.